The A320 family is equipped with standby instruments, which include a standby airspeed indicator, a standby altimeter, a standby horizon, a standby compass is installed on top of the windshield center post in a closed compartment. It may be pulled down for use. A deviation card is installed above the compass. The standby airspeed indicator is equipped with movable airspeed bugs. The standby altimeter has an altitude pointer, an altitude counter, a baro set counter which displays pressure setting in inches of mercury or in hectopascals, depending on the option chosen, a baro set knob. The standby horizon is erected by pulling the caging knob. This is the only standby instrument requiring an electrical supply. In the event of total electrical failure, it continues working for approximately 5 minutes. In case of instrument or power supply failure, a failure flag appears.